So I was able to hear this social media post earlier ba nga. It says na the higher the amount of the drugs, the lesser the crime rate. Seriously? No, it's like this. The higher the amount of drugs, the higher the crime rate. Because ang mahitabo mong good-an na is that ang usa ka tawo nga wala na jud siya kwarta. If a person doesn't have any money anymore to purchase, to buy these items, these drugs, but still yung brain, yung mind would still look for that drug or mangita jud gyapon siya kalami atong nga droga, then he would do anything to get one. Pag may ko would do anything, basically he would steal just to buy that bigger amount of drug. No? He would kanang do other crimes like hold up, no, mangilkil, no? And it can even go to worse, no, robbery. And if dili gani makuha ang gusto nga kwarta during the the crime, dira na dayon ang mga worst case scenarios like simba ko lang, no, maka sumbag sila sa ilang ikawatan or ilang mabunggaban or makabuat sila other crime, no, that could lead to death, no, and it becomes worse, no. So yung ano lang, the higher the amount, the higher the crime rate.
Keep going.